Did you know there's a bird that's basically the official doctor of wild animals? This amazing bird sits right on the backs of animals and starts pecking at their skin, eating tiny bugs and parasites. Sounds scary, right? But here's the crazy part. Every animal stays calm and lets it continue. This bird is called the Oxpecker. It removes insects, ticks, parasites, and even tiny worms from the animal's nose, ears, and body. So the bird gets food and the animal gets cleaned. A perfect teamwork created by nature itself. Amazing, isn't it? What do you think about this wild partnership? Drop your thoughts in the comments.